Enlightenment means you are not this matter. You are a mind. Shifting your consciousness from matter to mind is enlightenment. We are not atoms and molecules, protons and neutrons and electrons. We are pure consciousness. When you remember this point always, in every situation in your life, then you are enlightened. You must understand that whatever you are, the same thing is there everywhere else, because it is the same consciousness working everywhere, through every mind and through every body. When you understand the one consciousness pervading the whole creation, then you are enlightened. So what we have to understand about enlightenment is that enlightenment is seeking the unified consciousness. Second point to understand is that when you become enlightened, you stop making new karma. The third point you have to understand is that once you successfully made new karma zero, but old karma is there, you have to clear the old karma. And you will be ready for it. You will be happy for doing it. So you will undergo suffering happily. When you are clearing your karma backlog, you are suffering, but you are suffering happily. So there is no more suffering for you. It may be pain in the body, but it is no suffering of the soul. When you are clearing your bad karma, negative karma, after you become enlightened. And the third phase is that when you have cleared all of your backlog, that's a huge release. That is called liberation. That is called as mukti, jivan mukti. So meditation is the way for enlightenment. Enlightenment is the way for liberation. When you finally clear all your past karma from coming from so many lifetimes, then you are liberated. From what? From your own negative karma that you have done yourself. You have successfully cleared all your karma. You are a free bird. Then you can roam the whole creation wherever you want. You can go to any dimension. You can go to any kingdom, plant kingdom or mineral kingdom or animal kingdom or human kingdom or nature kingdom, whatever you want, you can do. Then that is the final phase. You are free to do whatever you want to do. You are free to create whatever you want to create. So we arrive at that kind of crystal clarity, where we see through everything, every issue, every event. We see through it and we arrive at truth everywhere. We see truth everywhere. We become crystal clear through enlightenment. Before enlightenment, we are not crystal clear. We are like a stone, ordinary stone. It is not transparent. It is not transparent. A crystal is a stone with total transparency. You can see through it. Before enlightenment, you can't see through any event or any person or yourself also. You can't see yourself properly. You misunderstand yourself. You misdirect yourself. You misunderstand others. You misdirect others. Everything is a hopeless situation, mess. Because you don't understand anything. And you are keeping on directing everybody else without your understanding. But after enlightenment, the whole mess is clear. Because you have become crystal clear. You understand yourself, you understand everybody else. So you don't misguide others. You don't misguide yourself. Perfect guidance comes Once you become enlightened, you guide yourself perfectly. You guide your others also perfectly, your neighbors, your family members.